Good afternoon. This is Carl Self, the Washington Mortgage Professor, 31709. Hard to believe St. Patrick's Day is here already. Boy, this year has gone fast. I also hope you're wearing green, but me, you're not going to see what I'm wearing. I am wearing green, though, just so you know. A lot of things have been going on in the industry the last week and a half. I just wanted to update you guys on where things are at. And the unique thing is, even the government loan programs are beginning to change. In the last week, we've seen FHA and VA come out with minimum credit score requirements. Just yesterday, it was announced that the FHA HUD government program is doing cash out, but they lowered the loan to value from 96.5 maximum to an 85% maximum. And they have some credit score requirements. If you're going to have a second, the second had to be in place, yada, yada, yada. The laundry list is fairly extensive. The other thing is FHA and VA loans over 417, which is the national conforming loan limit. The high dollar loan amounts are now going to require a minimum credit FICO score of either 680 or 720, depending on the program you choose. If you're thinking about refinancing or purchasing a house, I would personally highly recommend you move now. Interest rates are at 4.75, 4.5, depending on which day you call me. And based on these interest rates, even George Washington couldn't get that low of a rate. Housing market, we're starting to see a little bit of increase in activity in the market, which if we're not careful could spur some very rapid seller market, which we want to avoid. So if you're thinking about buying a house and you have a dream home in mind, now is one of the most opportune times in your or my life to be able to buy the house of your dreams at a price you can afford with payments you can afford. So now's the best time to jump before the programs change or go away as well. That's another factor. We did have some good news this week. We launched a new jumbo loan product for those looking for $1 million, $2 million homes. And again, this is very, very excellent credit buyers that we're talking about. You're going to need a 740 credit score or better. And the better your credit score, the bigger the LTVs, but the changes aren't going to be much but 5% per tier of credit score. A lot of good things are happening. A lot of tough things are happening, and the market is changing and transitioning at a rate that I've never seen in 20 years. Programs go away, programs come, programs disappear, programs change, and every day the market changes, the products change, the guidelines. So if you're considering refinancing or buying any time in the next 2 to 3 months, personally, I believe now is the most opportune time to buy, and I would get up, go out, find what you want. You can always give me a call. That's what I'm here for. 206-714-2778. And I want to thank you for joining me. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day and stay safe and don't drink and drive. Again, this is Carl, the Washington Mortgage Professor. Thanks. Have a great St. Patty's Day.